Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your age on your pictures on the Facetune application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the gallery button down below and select a picture that you want to edit. After that, you should slide to the right side of the screen till you find the age option. Here you have a bunch of filters that you can choose from, such as the baby face that you can adjust on this scale down below from 1 to 5. You can apply the young effects, young 3, 2. There's also the child one, the teen effect, and 2 old filters, such as the old and cool old options. Tap on the apply button down below and you can save your picture by clicking on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.